Hello, welcome to Bree's Pastry House, where every treat has a touch of magic. Today, we're baking something fun and festive, Halloween cookies. If you love delicious desserts and creative baking ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. And make sure to watch till the end. I'll be sharing my secret tip to make your Halloween cookies perfectly soft, buttery, and full of flavor. Flour, salt, baking soda. In a bowl, combine the flour, salt, and baking soda. Sift the dry ingredients together. Butter, sugar. In a separate mixing bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until well combined. Egg, milk, vanilla extract. In a small bowl, whisk together the egg, milk, and vanilla extract. Add this mixture to the mixing bowl with the butter and sugar and mix until fully combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients in the mixing bowl, mixing until the dough forms. Divide the dough into 2 portions. Wrap them in plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After chilling, remove the dough from the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature until it is soft enough to handle. Roll out the dough and use cookie cutters to cut out shapes on a baking sheet. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes or until lightly golden. Powdered sugar, meringue powder, cream of tartar. In a bowl, sift together the powdered sugar, meringue powder, and cream of tartar. Gradually add water to the dry mixture until you achieve your desired icing consistency. Divide the icing into 3 small bowls and add food coloring to create different colors. Food coloring. Enjoy decorating your Halloween cookies. Thank you for watching. If you love dessert, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video from Bree's Pastry House.